Welcome back, LCS families. We're happy to see all of you. As you enter our traffic line this year, please follow the signs, follow the cones, and watch for the staff in the yellow vests. We're here to help. This year, there will be no parking available for student drop-off or pickup. We will only be using the traffic pickup line. As you come through our traffic line, please be sure to have your student's traffic number displayed clearly in the windshield to avoid delays. There will be a staff member in a bright vest available to take the number and have your student called down to you. Please remember that our traffic line is a no phone zone. Any distraction should be put away for the safety of our staff and students. Proceed through the traffic line. In the morning, pull all the way up and please wait in your vehicle until a staff member comes to retrieve your child for the start of the day. In the afternoon, as you proceed around, your student will be waiting in a marked spot on the sidewalk per their grade level. Pull all the way up per staff instructions, and a friendly staff member in a bright vest will bring your student to your vehicle to safely leave for the day. Please remember that the parking lot is not available for parking this year at this time. As we will only be using the traffic line this year, we will not be able to have students dropped off or picked up at the front entrance. Staff only will be allowed to use this entrance of the school building. Thank you for following these instructions to keep our students and staff as safe as possible.